is to introduce us to SPSS. And then one of the things that Dr. Benga has done is to share with us the past recordings and the presentation. And of course, if we've gone through the presentation before now, what I'm saying now might not be new to us, but of course, it's very important that we lay a kind of foundation to what we are going to build on. All right. So what we are looking at today is introduction to SPSS. And thanks to Dr. Benga also, he has been able to put us through the installation process, the step-by-step installation process. And then another good thing is that most of us, if not all, we had one version of SPSS or the huddle before now. All right, let's proceed. So as an outline, we're going to look at SPSS overview. We're going to look at SPSS windows. We're going to look at SPSS menu, okay? Variable view. And also we also look at method of data entry, okay? What, like I said, is just to provide an introduction to what we need to build on. All right, in terms of introduction, like we all know, so SPSS is I don't know if this is current because this slide I'm using now, I've developed this slide over 6 years ago. Can you imagine? I've developed this slide over 6 years ago, all right? But I still use it constantly, then I update. Like I told you, I've not used SPSS for a very long time, so I've not really get to update the slide as such. So originally, it's an acronym of statistical package for social science, but now it stands for statistical product and service solution. So one of the most popular statistical package which can perform highly complex data manipulation and analysis with simple instruction. Simple instruction in the sense that with simple drop-down menu, you can actually perform advanced statistical manipulation and analysis with simple instruction. Now, let me also state it here that some of the things we've learned in our statistical method is also applicable here, all right? Some of those things we've learned in terms of type of statistics, in terms of descriptive, in terms of inferential, in terms of parametric, in terms of not parametric, in terms of scale of measurement, ratio, median, and what have you. So all of those knowledge are also, just like we've applied it when we are using Stata, is also applicable when we need to use any statistical analysis as it were, all right? Thank you. So what are the advantages of SPSS, all right? So like I said, SPSS is one of the most let me just
Probably got locked out.
okay, it's in progress. So data could be entered so easily. So data could be so entered easily because SPSS has an interface that looks like an Excel, and a cell which can actually enter your data easily. Remember that even in Stata, when you go through your edits browse, edit browse, you can actually enter your data too easily. But again, SPSS has a very nice interface where data could be entered easily. Then SPSS has menu that make data entry and analysis easy compared to other packages, just like what I have mentioned earlier. All right. So like I said, this is SPSS 17, okay? This slide was made, like I said, about 6 years ago, but it's all applicable. So when you're opening SPSS, when SPSS has been installed on your machine, either you create a shortcut of the icon on your desktop, or you also pins in your text or the program, depending on whichever SPS on desktop. When you hit off in probably go through and that process of open SPSS. So when you open SPSS, this is